Okay, 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go.
After a long absence, Stepney the Bluebell engine was back on Sodor. He had been loaned from the Bluebell Railway by the Fat Controller to help out during the summer holidays. The other engines were pleased to see him again, and Stepney was pleased to be back on Sodor. That night, Thomas the Tank Engine was returning to the sheds after a hard day's work. When he arrived, he found that the sheds were totally empty, except for one engine. Excuse me?
Meow.
What? Who on Sodor are you? Who on Sodor are you? I'm Thomas, the Tank Engine. You know, the star of the show, the title character.
Meow.
I'm Stepney, the Bluebell Engine. The
What
what
can
engine?
you get?
The Bluebell engine.
Yeah. Meow.
Oh.
I see.
I thought the Slender engine got you. The
What?
what? The Slender
Oh.
engine. Never mind. You're in my spot. What? You're in my spot. What are you talking about? There are 5 spots. What difference does it make? Listen, Mr. Fancy White Buffers. That is my spot. And I'm sleeping tonight, like I do every night.
Are you not her?
Clearly not.
No.
Yeah, that's right. Puff away.
Oh. Meow. Fuzzy cat, fuzzy cat.
This isn't over, Tank Engine. Oh
Oh
no.
gosh, it's
over.
fuzzy.
Look, the short's finished.